Occupation Foreign Minister Israel Katz, in a meeting with the European Union in Brussels, has proposed to build an alternative homeland for Palestinians. But Palestinian Foreign Minister Riyad al-Maliki rejected the proposal and stating that the Palestinians are steadfast on their homeland. And whoever suggests creating an island can go live in it if they wish. You know what? Discussions with Israel resembled a dialogue of a deaf. If Israel can produce an island, why they don't want to live there? Reason? Because of the oil and the gas that's all over Palestine, especially in Gaza. They want to own it too, to make money out of it. For sure, there's nothing on that island to make money from. So they insist on killing children just to stay in Palestine. What a homeless.